Nag-pregnancy test ka ba at negative ang lumabas? Baka naman hindi talaga negative. Baka masyado ka lang maagang nag-test. So continuation ulit ng mga previous vlog ko para tuloy-tuloy ang topic natin about pregnancy at masagot na rin ang inyong mga katanungan sa comment section. So for today's vlog, pag-uusapan natin ang pregnancy test. Kailan nga ba ang pinaka-accurate time para mag-pregnancy test? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Hello mga mommies! Welcome again to my vlog. So for this topic, pag-usapan nga natin yung best time to take pregnancy test. If you are currently trying to conceive or magkaroon ng baby at delayed na ang period mo or you're just simply wondering if buntis ka, then this video is for you. And quick reminder lang ulit, pregnancy tests don't detect pregnancy symptoms. They detect the hormone called HCG or human chorionic gonadotropin, which is produced only during pregnancy. Kaya timing is very important when taking pregnancy tests. Home pregnancy test can detect HCG in urine na tumataas din ang HCG level habang nagpo-progress ang pregnancy, which is one reason na testing too early can produce negative result even if you are pregnant. Kasi nga masyado pang mababa yung level ng HCG mo sa katawan to the point na hindi pa iyon nakikita sa pregnancy test. Unang-una, paano nga ba gumagana ang pregnancy test? So let's make it simple lang. Kapag nagkaroon ng pregnancy or merong nabuo, the body starts to produce HCG. Ito nga po yung hormone. The pregnancy test looks for the HCG in the urine. So yun lang yung nadedetect sa pregnancy test, yung hormones na yun, yung HCG lang. So kung nag-test ka ng sobrang aga dahil excited kang malaman kung nakabuo nga, possible na buntis ka, kaya lang hindi pa sapat yung HCG level mo sa katawan para ma-detect sa urine. And that's one reason why you can get negative result even pregnancy is still possible. Kasi nga possible na nagpo-produce pa lang ng HCG yung katawan mo. So, kailan pinaka-accurate mag-test? Now, ito yung pinaka-importanting part. For the most pregnancy tests, the most reliable time to test is from the first day pa lang once na mismo ang period mo. Usually, regular ang cycle mo, meaning buwan-buwan kang nagkakaroon. Today, dapat dumating na yung period mo, pero wala pa rin. You can take pregnancy test na. So, here is the question. Pwede ba mag-test before ma-miss ang period? Kasi minsan may nagsasabi na pwede ka nang mag-test bago pa lang ma-miss ang period mo. So, totoo ba yun? Actually, yes. May iba kasing test na very sensitive. And it is designed to use earlier. Syempre yun yung mga high-end na pregnancy test kit. Pero ito nga yung catch. The earlier you test, bago ka palang magkaroon, bago ka palang ma-miss yung period mo, nag-check ka na nga, the greater chance na hindi pa detectable yung HCG sa urine. So, a negative result doesn't necessarily rule out pregnancy. Ang mangyayari kasi doon is increases the chance of false negative result. Mag-wait ka na lang once na na-miss mo talaga yung period mo. So, yun yung pinaka parang suggestion ko sa inyo. So ito na, another question, paano naman kung irregular yung cycle ko? Ito naman yung problema usually ng mga irregular period. What if hindi mo naman talaga alam kung kailan ka dadatnan since irregular ka nga? So in that situation, you can simply rely on the expected period, on the expected date of period kasi nga, paiba-iba, 'di ba? Ganun kasi pag irregular, minsan nga nagkakaroon, minsan hindi. Kapag ganon, according to my research, if hindi mo talaga alam kung kailan yung exact date na dadatnan ka, you can rely on 21 days after your unprotected sex. Bilang ka na lang ng 21 days after mag-sex. So ito, another question about pregnancy test. Kailangan ba talaga na sa first morning urine kumukuha ng sample? So for many pregnancy tests, you can actually test in different time in a day, as long as you follow the instruction of the specific test kit. Pero kung ito, if you are testing very early, first morning urine can be helpful. Kasi concentrated, 'di ba, yung urine natin kapag umaga. Kaya possible na mataas yung level ng HCG in the first morning void urine. So hindi po ibig sabihin na kapag hindi ka kumuha sa first voided urine is magiging invalid na po yung pregnancy test mo. As long as merong presence of HCG, magpa-positive yan kahit anong oras. So ito na, another question. Bakit negative? Buntis ka naman. Let's say, delayed ka na. Then nag-test ka, pero negative. pero wala pa rin naman talaga yung period mo. So, don't definitely conclude na hindi ka buntis dahil negative yung lumabas sa pregnancy test. One possibility nga is you tested early, especially if your ovulation day happened later than you expected. Another thing na that can affect the test is diluted urine. Masyadong malabnaw yung wiwi mo. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, avoid drinking too much water before you test. And of course, always check the expiration date. And syempre, follow mo talaga yung instruction doon sa test kit. Usually kasi testing too early or diluted urine can contribute talaga sa false negative result. So negative pero wala pa rin yung period. So ano na? Ano nang gagawin mo? So what you should do if negative yung result sa pregnancy test and then wala pa rin talaga yung period mo or is still delayed ka pa din? Because HCG increases as pregnancy progress, that negative before, magiging positive na yan. Kasi nga, tumataas na yung level ng HCG mo sa katawan. A negative home pregnancy test is less reliable when taken too early. So, you should repeat it after a few days or maybe after a week. Para sure na talaga. If talagang nagsususpect ka na baka buntis ka because you have the pregnancy symptoms and still miss period ka pa din. Pero kung repeatedly negative result pa din after how many days or weeks at patuloy na delayed at irregular ang period mo, baka iba na yung dahilan. So better to consult your OB or your doctor. So ito meron ding tanong, what about yung blood pregnancy test or yung serum pregnancy test? Yes, meron pong ganun. Blood test can measure HCG din. So ito healthcare setting na to. Hindi mo to magagawa sa bahay. Ipapalab mo talaga siya. Ganun din para kukuhanan ka lang ng dugo tapos i-detect lang yung presence of HCG doon sa dugo mo. Tapos yun, dun malalaman kung positive or negative ka. Pero most people kasi talaga, lalo na kung in doubt ka pa if pregnant ka, ang ginagamit nila is home pregnancy test lang din talaga. Kasi yun yung pinaka-practical na first step. So ito, safety reminder lang mga mommies. If you think you might be pregnant, but if you have severe abdominal pain or pelvic pain, may masakit sa'yo, heavy bleeding, dizziness, fainting, huwag mo lang ulit-ulitin ang pregnancy test. Magpakonsulta ka na agad kasi hindi natin masasabi kung ano yung reason bakit ka nagkakaroon ng mga ganong sintomas. Recap tayo, pasimplihin natin. QR regular cycle, meaning monthly ka dinadatnan. Test agad from the first day na na-miss mo ang period mo. Number 2, if you are irregular cycle or don't know the exact date kung kailan ka magkakaroon, count 21 days after your unprotected sex. Doon ka magtetest ng pregnancy test. Number 3, kung magtetest ka ng very early pa, itest mo ang first morning urine mo kasi it will be helpful. Number 4, nagtest ka and negative ang result and wala ka pa ring period, mag-wait ka muna ng few days or 1 week, then magtest ka ulit. And number 5, always follow the instruction in the test kit. Eto, curious lang ako mga mommies. Kailan ka unang nag-pregnancy test nung akala mo buntis ka? Before miss period ba? Nung 1 day delayed ka? Or ilang days pa after? I-comment mo dyan sa comment section. Alamin natin kung kailan ka nag-pregnancy test. And if you are currently waiting sa iyong period, I hope this video helped you understand when to test and how to interpret the negative result. If you found this video helpful, like this video and please follow because I'm doing simple evidence-based pregnancy and mom content. And don't forget to send this video to your friend na ilang beses na rin nagtitest ng pregnancy test. So thank you again for watching everyone and see you on my next video. Bye!